The last thing I want to do is ride when I'm exhausted and I physically can't do it. And if I'm making mistakes, I'm going to hurt myself.
Yeah, don't do that.
It's race day at the Iowan Hard Enduro. I'm cruising through the course and making progress. But then I start making some mistakes.
Also hard on the spectators. Also on the riders. I would take a little break. Adam.
I overheated. Taking a break.
Try it. I'll help pull one more time. Otherwise, I'm going back.
Dude, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it.
Wait for you. Where are you?
Thank you guys, I appreciate you. The last thing I want to do is ride when I'm exhausted and I physically can't do it, because then I'm gonna make mistakes, you know?
Yeah.
And if I'm making mistakes, I'm gonna hurt myself.
Yeah, don't do that.
And I don't want to hurt myself.
We don't want that either.
Nope. I'm still exhausted.
This is silly. Could you give me a hand? Oh, that's kind of cheating though. Yeah.
Giving up, man.
I'm not giving up.
Well, you're not
No.
Here. Woo!
No, I'm not giving up. Yeah.
A little more muscle.
Thank you, Jacob.
You're welcome.
Best spectators in the world out there. I'm being patient, taking breaks. Let's try to do the checkpoint, Mike. Let's do that. Thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. There's no pink. Am I close to the checkpoint? I don't know if I went through it. I think I got to the checkpoint. I think.
Yeah.
So I didn't make it to the checkpoint. But you know what? I still had an awesome time. What's special about these hard enduros is that you get to experience bits of the same course that the pros ride on. And when you're done racing because you're exhausted and didn't advance, it's okay because
It's always awesome to spectate. This is as far as I got in the race too. This is as far as I got. So this is a cool spot.
yeah, buddy.
Behind the scenes. Oh shit. Rob, what'd you do?
It's cold, man.
Oh no. The things this guy goes to get you awesome shots.
Pricey shots.
Yeah.
It turned out to be really pricey because the UV filter did some damage to the lens. If you want to help Rob out, go to his website, enduroworks.com, and pick up some merch. Hit the like button if you got a kick out of my misery. And if you like these videos, make sure to subscribe. The next race on my calendar is Last Dog Standing in San Bernardino, California.